So today in this video, we are going to practice on Excel for how to make the automate our Excel data sheet with different example, with different functions. Okay, so let's start the today video. So basically, we are playing with this table. This is the sample data. We can change our sample data according our practice, so we can, but simple data we can understand the how does work the functions and how we can make automate our Excel sheet. Okay, so here you can see the date, region, product, and total sale. Okay, so we have the sample data. Now if somebody says the how to make automate, so first rule is simple, is entire data convert into the table. That's it. Okay, so simply select Ctrl plus A. By the way, I'm using the OneDrive Live, so a little bit different from the Microsoft Office 365, so relax. Okay, now select Ctrl plus A, Control plus L. So we are convert the data into the table. Control plus L. Okay. So we, here you can see. Okay. Press OK. And now our data convert into the table. And now let's design, yeah, change some style. So here table design option is here, and we have the multiple options. I want to change the table name first. So type cell. You can give the any name, underscore. Keep remember you need to type the underscore. Okay, and 25, simple. Now again, here the I want to do go and table design, so we give the table name, and here I want to change the style of in the banded row, so remove this. And you can, if you want to change the style here, so you we can change from here. Okay, so you have the options. Now, so the first step is complete, and we are convert the data into the table. Now the second is option is, let's start the practice. So first example is the, I want to the region wise the total sale. Region wise total sale. So region here and total sale here. So I select this cell, simply data tab, data validation, and select this and select list and source. You can type the value if you don't want, so simply select the entire table. Okay, so this is control shift down arrow and apply, and your drop down is ready. So this is also work for automate. Okay, so you just need click and you will get the your data. Okay, now so our question is the region by total sale. So here I am use the total sale for the SumIFS function, and the first parameter the sum range. So select this range. You can select from this way. Okay, control shift down arrow, and for backspace control backspace and comma. Okay, so you can see the cell 25 and total sale. So you can easily read the what you select in function. Okay, criteria range, you can the criteria range. This is the our criteria range, region and region column. So select this, control backspace, comma, and criteria. So criteria, this is my criteria, close parenthesis and hit enter, and this is your answer. Okay, if I change here the west, so west total same. Here I change the east, so east, and south. So south. Okay. So with this way you can the get total sale. And now the automate, how you can say the automate. Suppose I want to the add the 2025 1st September, waste, pen and amount something this, and here you can see automatically is formatted. And maybe the change in the we change the waste, so you can check it out, the amount will definitely change. Okay, so I show you again if it's working or not. So here I change the something the 10,000, and now you can see. Okay, so you can get the region wise total sale. The second example, same if you want to the product wise, so you need to create the data validation, select list, product wise I want, so control shift down arrow, apply. Okay, and here the my drop down list is ready, so I want to pay. And you can copy the formula, otherwise you can the submit function, control shift down arrow, comma, sorry, comma, and criteria is our the product, control shift down arrow, control backspace, comma, and criteria, this is our criteria, and close spaces and hit enter. And here you can see the product wise your detail. Okay, so you can get the your answer. Now the second thing what you can do, so you can get the percentage contribution, the average, you can use the function here. Now the second thing I want to show you the pivot table. So here we go, the insert pivot table, and table is already selected. Here you can see new worksheet if you want to go. So let's go. So this is about the pivot table. Okay, and pivot table what's how we can the arrange the data. So row I want to the region drop in the row. Okay, column product I drop in the column in product. Okay, here you can see, and value always in values. Total sale, yeah, values, everything you can drop it in. If you're not selected, mouse is not working properly, so you can add this way. And here you can see. Okay, so if any data in added the main sheet, this is the our main sheet. If you add the something else, so automatically update your in pivot table, and you need to refresh all here option is here. Okay, so you need to refresh all. Okay, now next what you can do, so here if you want to the remove the yeah, you want to the value, uh, top value, so short by value you can the level filter you can do. Okay, so different options is here, and the value filter here the I want to the top 10, I mean here the top 3 only, and press OK, so you will get this data. Yeah, top 10 top 1, so you can create a filter, and again we can go the here the top 10 and 1. Yeah, top bottom, so press OK, and this is your top bottom. South region is really top bottom with this product. Okay, so you can analyze the with this way, and what you can do, select, and here already select, it's okay. Here the insert option, and here the slicer option, so you can use the slicer. So I want to the region wise, so select this region and press ok, and region wise you can get the data. Just you can set the select east, north, south, data is here. Okay, so this is the our the how to make the automate, how to play with the pivot table. So this is the practice video. I hope this video is helps. Thank you for watching this video. Keep practicing status. See you in next video.